Out here on another spring maintenance. Today we're going to check this here capacitor and make sure that it is all good for the customer for this spring and for the summertime. We got to get the capacitor out first. Check the microfarads on this capacitor to make sure that this AC will run all summertime long. So we see that this capacitor is a 45/5. We're going to go ahead and disconnect these wires here. Now that you have it disconnected, you want to come over here to our meter. Set our meter to microfarads and check our capacitor. We go from common to harm, from common to harm, and this capacitor is reading 33.9 microfarads. We know that this capacitor is weak and needs to be replaced. We will let the customer know how much it's going to be, and we will be replacing this capacitor.